Hey, what's up guys? It's Lam here again, your tech guide, checking out another Ringke Bezel styling for the Samsung Galaxy 5 Pro. So this is another version of bezel styling you can get. As you can see, this is a more of a smoother round compared to the previous one I have done. Let's open this up. We'll check it out and see how it looks like on the 5 Pro. Alright, so this is the only thing you get inside the box, nothing else. I don't know if you guys could see that in focus, but there it is. Clean look, and there's your double-sided tape on the back. Okay, let's grab our watch 5 Pro. As you can see, I do have the inner bezel styling pre-installed and the tempered glass screen protector. And my corner here, there's really nothing much to it, so that's why we're going to add this to add some look to it. As you can see right there, it gives an extra enhancement look to it. Okay, so let's see how we're going to do this, if we should align it like that, the arrows, or make it like this. I think this one looks better like this. Okay. Let's remove the double-sided tape on the back. Okay, so if you want this to stay on the watch, make sure you alcohol wipe all around it so that it will stick permanent, or it will stick there for a long time. As you can see, I'm just aligning it right in the middle. Then you just drop it, and there you have it. And then just press down once you got it all aligned. Okay, and there she is, guys. Check that out. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, just go all around, just press it down. But wow, look at that. What a big difference by adding that bezel styling. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's put this on my wrist. And there you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video on the bezel styling. I think they have other more different type of bezel styling, which I'm gonna try to get and do a video so you guys have an idea what they all look like on your Samsung Galaxy 5 Pro, Watch 5 Pro. So that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I will see you guys on the next one.